right here. It's a fucking sneeze. Okay. So we can get some tissue. And yes. I don't know. It's too thick. I'm gonna make sure I can fit your nose. Whoops. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Okay, let's see if this works. Here I go. That's probably a nose gasm. It feels good. Oh my God. Sorry. I got candy in my mouth. I got to get it out before I choke. Just tickle it. Ooh, okay, okay. Let's do it again. Other nose. Other nostril. Just like my nose had an orgasm. Oh my God. This, it just tickles so much. Oh, Jesus. I would do more. Like, how many sneezes can I do? But it's literally gonna be me. So, I don't know if I want to see all that, but yeah, that's how you make yourself sneeze. Okay, okay. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.